Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let us start with a very hard truth. Most ServiceNow developers are not failing in interviews because of some advanced scripting or tricky scenarios. They are failing in the very first question, that is, can you introduce yourself or tell me about yourself as ServiceNow professional? Yes, you already know this question is coming to you. Still, 90% of intros I hear from people on my interviews sounds almost the same. Let me show you two typical examples. Look at on the screen. Forget the names for a second, just listen to the pattern. Years of experience and the ITSM modules like incident, problem, change, request catalog. Then the tool, business rule, client script, UI policy, script include, flow designer, and integration. On the surface, it looks okay. You feels like I am showing everything I know. But from interviews point of view, the intros have very big problems. Let me show you those problems. Number one, it is just a keyword dump, not a story. Yes, because you are throwing features name, not telling who you are. There is no business context, no before and after, no sense of what you actually built, fixed, and improved. Okay. Number two, no clear identity. Because after listening to both the intros, the interviewers still don't know. Are you mainly working on development or admin? Do you work in production support or implementation? Are you mostly doing small big fixes or you own the complete features? So lines like I started as admin and then moved into development or 4 years of experience including admin and development. Do not answer the most important question, that is, who are you today as a ServiceNow professional? Number three, you are not focusing on the strength. Both intros are trying to cover everything. ITSM, catalog, all core modules, script, flow, integration. Okay, so when you say everything, the interviewer cannot see what you are really strong in. Are you good in building catalog and workflows? Or are you good in writing business rule or script include? Or are you good in debugging the issues in production? Your intro does not show any clear strength. Now, fourth problem. You are opening doors you cannot walk through. Yes, words like integration, almost all core modules, different clients sound impressive. Yes, it is. But they are also a trap. A good interviewer will pick one and go deep into it. Like, tell me about one integration you built end to end. Or, what exactly did you do for these different clients? Explain one complex business rule you wrote in your company, in your instance. Okay, so if you just name drop those things without solid experience, you are getting stuck in 1 minute. And it started obviously from your own self introduction. Now, problem number five, no alignment with your job description. Yes, these intros are same no matter which role you are applying for, whether it is ITSM, GRC, item developer, support engineer, internal platform team, vagara vagara. You are using only one generic intro for every role, everywhere. The interviewer is thinking about specific JD, but your intro is not aiming that one at all. So in this case, they have to guess where to take the conversation, and usually that guess is not in your favor. So these are the problems. Now, what should a self introduction of ServiceNow actually do? So basically, in a ServiceNow interview, your self introduction is not just small talk. It is a steering wheel. Okay. Whatever you say here will decide which module, which script, which project the interviewer will go in deep. So instead of a random keyword list, your introduction should be in four simple things. So here I'm not giving you a full script yet, okay? Just a structure. Number one, who you are now. It means your current role, years of experience, and the main focus area. For example, ServiceNow developer with 2 years of experience, mainly working on ITSM and service catalog for an internal IT team. Number two, how you came into ServiceNow. So here, one line of background or transition. For example, I started as a ServiceNow admin and gradually took more development work on our ITSM enhancements. Number three, what you actually do and which is your strongest one. So here, two or three concrete responsibility areas that match the job. Okay. For example, I built and enhanced incident and change workflows, designed catalog items with approvals and SLAs, and write business rules and client script to implement the logic. Finally, the fourth one, what you are looking at next. So here, one line about the kind of role you want now. Okay. So for example, now I am looking for a developer role where I can own end-to-end features on ITSM and catalog and grow deeper into scripting and design. Okay. So that's it. Four parts. And once you have that, you really will feel the difference. So in this video, I wanted you to see the real problem first. It is not your English. It is not your confidence. It is not your missing certificate. The real problem is your self-introduction has no identity, no focus, and no strategy. Okay? Okay, so this is all about problem. Now look at on the screen the real example which is in front of you. So this is a 2-year ServiceNow developer introduction. Listen to it. How it sounds different from the keyword dump which we have seen in the part 1. So now let us break down what is happening here. In the first line, he is clearly saying who he is right now, right? He is a ServiceNow developer, 2 years experience, and his main focus is on ITSM and service catalog. No confusion about admin versus development, support versus implementation. Okay. In second line, he gives a simple path into ServiceNow. He started as admin, then moved into development when the team began enhancing incident and request. Okay. So it is just a one sentence, but it tells a clear story of the growth. In third part, he talks about what he actually does. That is building catalog items with approvals, configuring SLAs, writing small business rules and client scripts, fixing production issues. So these are the real responsibilities, not just the name of the modules. And in the last line, he shows what he wants next. A developer role with end-to-end ownership on ITSM and catalog, and deep scripting and flow designing. Okay, so this tells the interviewer exactly how to see him and what kind of questions to ask to this particular person. So if we compare it to our old introduction, he is not just saying incident, problem, change, catalog, client script, business rule, but he is giving identity, path, responsibility, and direction. So now you can use the same structure for your profile. You can change the modules, you can change the responsibilities, but keep these 4 ideas with you. So with this, I'm concluding this video. I hope you like the information. I hope you use it in your practical ways, change your introduction and keep going in ServiceNow interviews. Okay. Thank you so much.